So this is S. Shanmukharao, working as a zoology lecturer in sampathsai Junior College. Previous video I explained about the structure of the entamoeba histolytica. Today in this video we know about the life cycle of entamoeba histolytica. Okay, right. So life cycle of entamoeba histolytica. So this is the stage of tropozoite. So tropozoite of entamoeba. So this one is the tropozoite of entamoeba. Okay, right. So tropozoite is a feeding, active and pathogenic stage. Okay, right. So the tropozoite generally lives in a large intestine of man. So already we know that the entamoeba histolytica is a monogenetic parasite. That means it completes its life cycle in one host, that is man. Okay, so the tropozoite lives in a large intestine, the wall of the large intestine of man. Wall of the large intestine of man. So here, the wall of the large intestine, the tropozoite may undergo binary fission. Binary fission. So here we see the binary fission. So binary fission. So tropozoite undergoes binary fission. Binary fission means one parent individual divide into two daughter individuals. One parent individual divide into two daughter individuals. Okay, that is called binary fission. Okay, so like this repeated binary fission. So one binary fission, there is two daughter individuals are formed. So each one again repeated binary fissions. So like these repeated binary fission, there is a number of daughter individuals, daughter entamoebas are formed. The number is increased in the wall of the large intestine of man. Okay, when the number is increased, then some of the daughter individuals may feed upon the blood vessels, blood cells and tissue elements. Okay, so then gradually they grow into tropozoite. Okay, so some of the individuals feed upon the blood cells, tissue elements and gradually grow into tropozoite. But remaining some of the daughter amoebas enter into the cavity of the large intestine. Okay, from the wall to cavity of the large intestine. Okay, some of the individuals are only remains at the wall of the large intestine, but the remaining some are enter into the lumen of the large intestine. So enter into lumen. Lumen means cavity. Lumen of large intestine. Okay, so then it will be transformed into pre-cystic stage. Pre-cystic stage. This is the pre-cystic stage. Okay, I think you know at the time of when we explain the structure of the entamoeba. Okay, so this is the pre-cystic stage. Okay, so later on the pre-cystic stage in turn into cystic stage. So this one is a cystic stage. Okay, so this is the cystic stage. So pre-cystic stage in turn into cystic stage. So cystic stage means it forms a additional outer layer, cyst. So cyst. So that's why the stage is called cystic stage. Okay, additional layer. The formation of layer is called encystment. This process is called encystment. Encystment means the formation of cyst or layer outerly. Okay, right. It protects the stage. The layer protects the stage. Okay. So then after few hours, the nucleus of the cystic stage. Nucleus. This is the nucleus. This is the nucleus. So nucleus of the cystic stage may undergo two binary fissions. Mitotic divisions. Undergoes two mitotic divisions. Okay. So as a result, 4 daughter nucleus are formed. 4 daughter nucleus formed. Okay. So the nucleus of the cystic stage undergoes 2 mitotic division. As a result, 4 daughter nucleus are formed. Now this stage is called tetranucleate. Tetranucleate cyst. Now this stage is known as tetranucleate cyst. Okay, right. That means the cystic stage turn into tetranucleate cyst. Okay, this tetranucleate cyst is infective stage. So infective stage to man. Okay, infective stage to new man, new person. Okay, so it is most important. Please remember it. So tetranucleate stage is infective stage to new person. Okay, right. So these stages comes out along with the facial matter. Okay, they comes external environment through the facial matter. Okay, these tetranucleate cysts remain alive for about 10 days only. Okay, if the host is not available, then these cysts may die. Okay, they remain for about 10 days only in the external environment. Okay, right. If these tetra cysts, those are present here, these tetra cysts enter into the new person small intestine through the contaminated food and water. If a elderly person take a contaminated food and water, then these cysts enter into the small intestine. Okay, right. When it enter into the small intestine, then the cyst, the extra layer, the cyst get dissolved by the use of host enzyme, that is trypsin. Okay, our enzyme only. Trypsin is our digestive enzyme. Okay, so trypsin dissolves the cyst of the tetranucleate. Okay, so the cyst may, when it enter into our small intestine, then the cyst may dissolve. Cyst may get dissolved by the enzyme, by the action of enzyme called trypsin. Trypsin is the host enzyme. Okay, right. So trypsin dissolves the cyst. Okay, right. Now when the cyst get ruptured, then the tetranucleate stage comes out from the cyst. Comes out. Yes, here we see the diagram. This is the cyst. When the cyst will be ruptured, then the tetranucleate stage comes out. Now this process is called existment. Existment means rupturing of cyst. When the cyst will be ruptured, then the stage comes out. So encystment means the formation of cyst. Existment means after rupturing of cyst. Okay, that is called existment. Okay, here the process is called existment is going on. Okay, then the tetranucleate stage comes out. Then the tetranucleate, when after rupturing, after existment, the tetranucleate stage is called as metacyst. After existment, the tetranucleate stage is called metacyst. Okay. Now the metacyst contains 4 nuclei. Each nuclei undergo 1 mitotic division. Then as a result, what happens? There 8 daughter nucleus are formed. Okay, each one undergoes 1 mitotic division. As a result, so 4 nucleus, so 4 mitotic divisions, so 8 daughter nucleus are formed. Okay, so each daughter nuclei enclosed a bit of cytoplasm. So a bit of cytoplasm enclosed with each nuclei. The cytoplasm enclosed each bit of nuclei, then formed a daughter individual. So 8 daughter individuals are formed like this. Okay, so each one feed upon the red blood cells, tissue elements of the host. Then each one gradually undergoes trophozoite stage. Okay, this is the life cycle of entamoeba. Entamoeba histolytica causes amoebiasis disease. Okay, generally the trophozoite is a pathogenic stage, causes amoebiasis. Okay, so amoebiasis means the stool which discharge from ours, the stool may contains blood and mucus. That is called amoebiasis. The character of the amoebiasis means stool with blood and mucus. Our stool, our facial matter, which is discharge ourselves, that contains stool contains blood and mucus. Okay, that is the character of the amoebiasis. Okay, if severe condition, in a severe condition, these trophozoites may migrate from intestine to brain, kidneys, these lungs, they like these structures, and causes abscesses. Abscess means దాన్ని మనం ఏమంటాం, చీము గడ్డలు అని పిలుస్తూ ఉంటాం కదండి, మీరు వినే ఉంటారు చీము గడ్డలు. ఓకే, దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ abscesses. ఓకే, సో abscesses. Okay, abscesses. Okay, right. So if the condition is severe, then only they migrate to from large distance to various body parts, causes abscesses. Okay, right. This is about amoebiasis.